Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are fine. Today's topic is define federation or federalism in political science. According to Dicey, federation it is a political contrivance intended to reconcile national unity with the maintenance of state rights. Montesquieu, a famous political philosopher, in his famous book Theory of Separation of Powers, defines that federation is a convention through which different states organize themselves into a wider union. Federalism stands for the unification of smaller political units into a bigger one through either conquest or association. It has been one of the most notable features of political history. The component units have a regional consciousness with a strong local difference of their own, form a federation based upon a constitutional distribution of power between the federal government and the component state. A federal state is a one and sovereign state. A federation is an association of states forming a new one. A federal state is one in which the supreme powers in the state are distributed by the constitution between federal government and federating unit. This distribution or separation of powers between federal government and federating units is in such a way that government of federating units exercises supreme and original authority within its own sphere of powers. Federation enables small states to unite peacefully and voluntarily into a powerful state. It is essential for small states to combine into a strong union in order to defend themselves against aggression and to pull their weight in international affairs. The United States of America, France, Germany, India, Pakistan, and many other countries are federations. In the federation, political system gives greatest advantage to the smaller states who are awarded or given with equal opportunity for their self-protection against bigger states. The loss of political independence of the state is made up by the increased opportunities for economic activity and exploitation. The organization of interstate communication promotes trade and mutual prosperity. Now the question arises, how federation is emerged or formed? A federation comes into existence when a number of independent or sovereign states voluntarily relegate or surrender their sovereignty and major portion of political powers in favor of a new central government or a federal government while retaining their separate identity and less political authority. This is how American Federation was formed in 1789, India and Pakistani Federation in 1947. When a unitary state breaks up into a number of autonomous units. They later combined themselves into a union or federation, like former Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Now it is Russia. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and see you in next lecture.